As an adrenaline junkie, whenever I go shooting, light, durability, and reliability are my most concerns. LAMBOGO has been my go-to partner in crime through my journey. It has never failed me and always keeps my data safe and sound. It is rugged and water-resistant. It has been made to withstand any environment. No matter if you're a drone lover or a GoPro adventurer, it can bring so much ease and convenience. I usually bring LAMBOGO with me to transfer my data and edit on the go. Literally, with just a single click, I can now transfer my data and files anywhere, anytime. LAMBOGO is installed with a built-in fan for internal cooling. It avoids overheating to ensure stable performance. With the built-in LAMBOGO app, I can view my photos and videos right away. It can support real-time 4K video streaming. Apart from SD cards, I can also back up my USB drive. Wireless sharing to multiple devices becomes much easier. I use LAMBOGO as my external drive too. It has extreme high speed and extra large storage capacity, up to 8 terabytes. When I need power, LAMBOGO is capable to recharge my phones on the go too. Get LAMBOGO now to back up anytime, anywhere. LAMBOGO, the rugged high-speed wireless storage.